here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm enjoying this creamy avocado popsicles and as always, it is low carb, low sugar. This is so perfect for this very warm weather. This is very easy to make. One of the ingredients for this is the homemade sweetened condensed milk, which is also easy to make. I will put on the description below the link on how to make that if you don't know yet. And of course, as always, I would like to share to you the recipe for this so you too can enjoy this super creamy and tasty avocado popsicles. My kids love this. But before we get going, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications for my upcoming videos. And also, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video. So, without further ado, let's get started!